Top 20 Absolute Best Stealth Camping Tips and Tricks for Safety and Wellbeing. Best friends. Whether you are solo or a couple, living on the road is ideal with a pet dog. Pets help keep you active. They are very loving, loyal, and a best friend. They can also alert you when something is up outside the vehicle. Best to train your dog not to bark. Having them alert you in other ways is best. Rescue a dog from a shelter and your life will be enriched and full. Carry a big stick. A walking or hiking stick will always come in handy. It's also a good deterrent in case someone you encounter has sketchy intentions. People who have bad intentions pick vulnerable victims. Don't be vulnerable. No hidden parking. In case you need to get out in a hurry, always park where you can easily drive right out of harm's way. Parallel parking is okay if you can find a spot where you are not blocked in. Never park front-facing in any parking space, especially at night. In at sunset, out at sunrise. Arrive at your stealth location around dusk or dinner time. People are less likely watching or paying attention then. Get up at sunrise and out of the spot with as little fuss as possible. Be stealthy. Fast track to the front seat. Keep a clear path to the front seat and be able to start the vehicle fast to get out in an emergency. Sleep with everything back in its place so nothing is at risk of falling or breaking. Always sleep with your keys within reach. Practice and be fast yet stealth. Keep the cab clean. At first glance, your vehicle should not look lived in at all. Keep the cab area completely clear. Anyone looking in at night should not have a clue you are inside. Nighttime is for sleep. Keep lights at a very low level, and that goes for music and TV too. Sleep dressed for action. I know at home you might like cozy pajamas, but on the road you need to change your routine. Sleep in something that is comfortable like a tee and sweatpants and socks. You should have some easy slip-in shoes ready as you jump out of bed. Be prepared. You are safest when you can flee fast. One-pot meals. Living stealth in your vehicle means you can't eat like you do at home. Buy and prepare foods that require little fuss. One-pot meals are best. It's less cleanup and just faster. You don't have to miss out on great food, just consolidate. Washing and cleaning. Baby wipes and antibacterial wipes will save you all that washing up time when cooking. You don't need a sink full of hot soapy water all the time. Use paper towels or napkins to pre-wipe everything, then antibacterial wipes to finish. Washing your body is important, but you don't need a tub or shower to stay clean. Rethink clean. Work on mobile devices. At home, a PC or Mac are great, but you can work just fine on mobile devices like iPhone, iPad, or other tablets. They require less energy to run, recharge fast, and there's an app for everything. You can get by with a regular data plan on your phone and use your hotspot. Just do all your uploading and downloading using your phone. It will likely have an unlimited data plan. Avoid open Wi-Fi if you can. Get a good VPN. Ringers off at night. Make sure to turn off all electronics that might sound in the night. The last thing you want is to draw unnecessary attention. Blackout curtains. Make sure you can close off the back of your vehicle with black or dark gray curtain material. Magnets or even clothespin do a great job of keeping the curtains closed. Use a material that is matte with no shine or pattern. Once your curtains are closed, no one should know you are inside. Blackout is best. Hidden in plain sight. Chances are you will not be away from your vehicle for long, but if you are, be sure valuables are out of sight. If a thief gets in, they will look for quick and easy grabs. Leave nothing out for them to take. Hide laptops by wrapping them in a towel or pillowcase. Stash cameras and drones in with your bed linen or blankets. Come up with a plan of hiding all your precious items in non-conventional places. Fireproof bag. Keep all your important paperwork in a fireproof documents bag. They can easily be hidden or stored with other non-valuable items. If you can, keep your passport, extra cash, and other items in the pages of a book or magazine, then store them in your fireproof bag. MacGyver pockets. Have some emergency essentials ready to put in your pockets before leaving your vehicle. Keep small items like a pocket knife, a small amount of rope, small flashlight, a compass, pet waste bags, and a mini first aid kit. A lot of these can hang around your neck and others can fit in any pocket. Be careful and prepared. Water is life. Manage the way you use water. Having to store a lot of water can take up valuable space and be a nightmare if there is a leak. Get a good strong 5-gallon container and make sure it's well taken care of. Use melted ice water washing rags and cleaning your vehicle. Never waste a drop of water. Deep clean day. Pick a day or two each month for deep cleaning. It gets dusty and dirty fast in your vehicle. Keeping a schedule for cleaning will ensure you stay healthy and the vehicle keeps its value. Washable rugs. Keep durable, washable rugs in your vehicle. They are easy to wash and can be a part of your decor. They can be funky, colorful, and individual. Light rugs can go in any laundromat washers. Don't get big, bulky rugs, no matter how comfortable they might seem. They are just more work. Passenger seating. If you are alone and spend time in the front seat of your vehicle, try switching things up and sit in the passenger seat. It gives the impression you are not alone. It's a safety measure that never fails. It's also a good excuse for keeping that front seat clean and clear. Clutter is a dead giveaway you might live in your vehicle. Easy access and cleanliness is key. Ice cooler over fridge. If you are living stealth, you might not have room for a fridge, and you might not need it anyway. Using ice can fulfill several important needs. Human interaction. Being nomadic doesn't mean you have to avoid other humans. A simple thing like picking up some ice every few days can help you keep up with your social skills, even if it's brief. And remember, melted ice water has many uses. Skip the fridge and invest in a few small, well-insulated coolers. You'll be happy you did. Thanks for watching. Living on the road or stealth camping is not for everyone. If you are thinking about this lifestyle or just getting started, I hope these tips and tricks help you in your travels. These tips are not in particular order and are just my suggestions after 8 years living the van life. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I plan on making more videos like this soon. Safe travels!